Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create realistic snow effect using Canva. Right now as you can see, we are into Canva and we have just selected a black image template. Now here in the elements we are just going to search for mountains and then we will click on photos, see all, right, mountain, woman. Okay, we can select any image. For example, I have selected this image, right? And now what we are going to do is we are going to add snow in this, the realistic snow, right? Set image as background. Okay, you can select any other image as well, right? It is not necessary to use the same image. You can also upload your image, like you can select this one as well, right? It is also looking nice. You can select this one, depending upon what kind of image you want. Okay, let's try with this one only. Now what we are going to do is we are going to search for snow graphics, snow. We are going to search for fog first. Okay, fog is over here. We need to add some more fogs, right? So I've selected this fog and now pressed Control key and we are just I pressed Alt key, sorry, right? But this is getting darker, right? So we need to delete and again delete and again delete. We need to place it in such a manner that our main image also appears, right? Let us decrease the size from the corners, that will be more perfect, right? Let us rotate this. First of all, start from initial background from the bottom, right? Then we will move to the top. Group, duplicate it, and then we are going to place over here, right? So what are you doing? I'm just adding snow, dear. But before that we just need to add some fog because snow generally appears with fog, right? Now sir, what next? We need this woman back, so we need to remove this fog. Click on recently used, BG remover, and place in such a manner that it coincides. Now what we are going to do is we are going to elements again and here we will search for snow. We can see all magic recommendations, right? This snow is not good. This one is neither. No way. We need some realistic snow, right? Some more realistic. No way. Okay, this one is looking more realistic. And now I'm going to press the Alt key and going to place it over here. right? Going to flip this horizontally. Okay, similarly we can again press alt and copy this. It's done. We can send them backward as well, right? Before that, I just want to edit this image, so I will click on edit, adjust temperature. We need to change little bit, and the brightness we need to decrease little bit, and the contrast we need to increase little bit. Okay, you are making mistake, bro. Control Z. We have selected this background image. Now we are going to adjust it again. Contrast level to be decreased little bit. Yeah, now it's looking fine. Now we will place the woman again back to its position, right? And as you can see, our image is full to proof ready. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. And we can also add some more effect, like you can add a square shape for making this image look little bit darker. If you think that you want some darker image, we have selected this one, and now we are going to click on black color. We are going to add this like, and now we can simply lessen the transparency, so to give it an effect of night, right? Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.